Hey guys, hope you're doing well. and I'm pretty sure you've been shocked waking up with these prices on the crypto market today. But funny enough, fair enough, I gotta say. I was. Look, it happened as discussed in the last couple of months. In my opinion, this thing here is the famous head and shoulders. The red line is the neckline. We're actually breaking at the moment. We've touched the neckline and are not breaking it yet. All right. I drew a couple of resistance lines, support and resistance lines here, which are of importance in the next couple of days in case the neckline breaks. But the last bounce we could expect is number one right now, but we are already quite deep in the slums, so it doesn't look too good. But in case we expect a bounce, then it is right now from off this neckline. If the head and shoulders doesn't break its neckline, if it holds, then we could have a bounce, in my opinion. It will break, and if it breaks, as you already know, then we're done. We're finished, all right? And then we have around $19,850, which is the $20,000 mark, as you already know, probably. The even numbers like 20,000 is important psychologically, right? So this is where trades happen. This is where a lot of people buy and sell, and you can see that here, right? You can see that there's a lot of action in this sort of pocket, and I've drawn this lower line here. Is actually a very important line. It's around 16,000 because this is where the next break is. So we have this area from here until there. Let me try to draw it. So it's basically this area here. All right, this is going to be very important, and I'm pretty sure we will trade sideways here for some time. But as soon as we break the $16,000 mark, then we just have to switch off the computers and go for a walk for another year probably. But so the $20,000 line here is going to be important, and the neckline at the moment. If we break the neckline, then we're finished. So funny enough, Ethereum already broke the neckline, but yesterday I made a video in German for my German friends, and then it happened already. The fun thing here is you could potentially make two head and shoulders out of it. You could make this is the left shoulder, then the head is coming here. This is the right shoulder, and we broke it already. Or this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this here is the right shoulder. It's also possible. We broke the neckline here as well. We have the same pocket as in Bitcoin with Ethereum, but we're going to have some sideways trades right now as we are already in it, because this is a very important level. And with Ethereum, it's a bit easier to see, because with Ethereum, the support line is around $983, which is like roughly $1,000. So we'll most definitely touch the line. Yesterday it was funny because we touched exactly this line here, and overnight we broke down a little more. I'm in the daily chart, okay? You can see that on the top left here. So again, the $1,000 mark, roughly the $1,000 mark, is psychologically a very important level. There's a lot of trades going on, and you can already see that here. And then the next level where we will have some price action going on is around $700. You can see we took a couple of attempts to break it, and we broke it with a lot of volume, right? And then we retested the $1,000 mark, and we created this these steps, or however you want to call it. But if we fall below the $1,000 mark, then we look very bad. And in my opinion, Ethereum will drop down here. Bitcoin will test its head and shoulders neckline, and probably if Ethereum drops all the way down here, we probably have already a breakout of the Bitcoin neckline, which then will give such high which make the market so desperate that I'm pretty sure will fall below the $1,000 mark and below the $20,000 mark in Bitcoin. But these are the last chances for us to bounce. All right. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.